Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to fix OneDrive not signing in problem. If you are trying to sign into your OneDrive application but you are not being able to log in because of some reasons, then here is how you can easily solve the issue in a minute. The first thing to make sure is to connect your device to a stable internet connection. You can also try opening other websites or apps that require internet access to confirm. Once you have an internet connection, simply open your OneDrive application and enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account and tap on the next button. Make sure that you are typing in the correct email address. You will then be prompted to enter your password. In case you've forgotten your password, you can get help by clicking on the Forgot Your Password link. If you don't want to reset your password right now, you can also choose the email code option. Once you press on that, you will then receive an email verification code on your email address that you've added as a secondary email address on your Microsoft account. Once you are done entering the email, click on Send Code, and you will now need to go visit your email addresses inbox that you just entered. Open up the email from Microsoft account team and then copy the code that you received. Get back to OneDrive app and paste in the code that you received and tap on sign in. Once you enter the code, you will then be able to sign into your OneDrive account. If the problem still persists and if you cannot still log into your account, then consider restarting your device. Sometimes a simple device restart can fix temporary glitches. So those were some of the fixes you could go ahead and follow if you're going through OneDrive not signing in issue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.